Hey everybody, good morning. This is Tim Hinton from MarchingArtsEducation.com and from the Marching Roundtable, and I have a tip for you. If you're working on your show this week and you're trying to figure out what to do, get a fresh pair of eyes on your show. That's right. Call in a local band director, an instructor from another band, have them come over, look at your show, give you advice. Or better yet, ask somebody that doesn't have anything to do with the band or marching or anything to look at your show and give you input. For example, have the lunch lady that you love come in, watch the show, and ask her, did you understand it? Did you know that our show was about mobsters? Did it make sense to you when the bed traveled across the field with the guard girl and the horse's head? Did that make sense to you? Did you understand why we did all that? By the way, don't do that. But anyway, get somebody that doesn't have anything to do with your program, who hasn't been staring at it every day, and ask them to look at it. And they might say, oh, wow, did you notice this guard thing over here? Or that lunch lady might go, I don't really understand why that thing happened over there. That didn't make sense to me. This is information that you need, because you need somebody that's not connected in the middle of the activity to look at it with fresh eyes. Or you need somebody that is in the activity to look at it with fresh eyes. And best yet, go to MarchingArtsEducation.com and click on virtual clinics, because all of the marching arts professionals that we have there, a lot of them, are offering to watch your show and give you their expert feedback. And don't sit around and think, oh no, I don't want Matt Harloff from Carolina Crown and Avon High School to look at my show. What you need to do is you need to think, of course I want him to look at it. He's been there, he works with bands of all kinds, and he can tell me how to make my brass better, or he can look at the show. Or they're great color guard people, they're great percussion people, whatever you need help with. There's a professional that can look at your show, you interact with them, they give you feedback, they watch your show and they talk to you. They can pause your show and talk to you. Fantastic. This is what you need this time of year right now. Your show's happening, you're starting to try to fix it, make it work. Now you need expert feedback. So get somebody nearby that's in the activity, get somebody that's not involved in the activity, and then get expert advice from an expert. That's a lot of experts. So, thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day. Get some fresh eyes on your show. It'll really make a big difference.